Hello everyone. In the previous video we went through the on-premises options available with Power BI. So if we are not using the cloud services, but we are just creating the dashboards or reports in Power BI desktop and sharing them across the organization, how do we just use the on-premises option and what are the deployment options available to us? In this video I will cover the hybrid service or hybrid options available in Power BI. So the first option is that we've got the data sources and we connect to all these data sources using Power BI desktop or Excel. So these data sources could exist on premises or they could exist in the cloud. And once we've built our reports, we publish them onto the Power BI service. And we schedule all our data refreshes, security, and sharing through the Power BI service. So we do not share any Power BI files across the organization as a PBIX file. All sharing happens via the cloud service. Similarly, we've got our security and collaboration also being done through the cloud service. So this is the first option. The second option is that we use Power BI desktop. We connect to multiple data sources, cloud or on-prem, and then we publish report to the Power BI service. Now from the Power BI service, we use the Power BI API service to create iframes. So this, you could say that it could just be like a frame or code which is given to a custom application. So if we want to publish a Power BI tile in a custom application, we need to generate a code, and that code gets embedded in the custom application. So we've built our Power BI desktop, we put it on the Power BI service, then we generate some code, we pass it on to the application. So application can show tiles for visualization purposes. But let's say a user in this custom application decides to do some interactivity on that tile. Then they get pushed onto the Power BI service. So all user interaction goes to the Power BI service. But let's say if somebody just wants to look at the numbers or data, they can do it via the custom application. So this is the second option. And let's look at the third option. So third option is similar to the second, except that in place of custom application, we are exposing our reports or dashboard to a public website. So the way we will do it would be the same. We'll build our Power BI desktop, push it onto the Power BI service, generate code and push it and give that code to the public website. And public website can then show the data and the reports that we've got on their own domain. The only thing is that in this case, we cannot implement any security. So you've got to be really careful in terms of the data that you publish or provide to a public website. Also, it is dependent on the administrator. Administrator might just disable this option of publishing to public websites, which can happen in certain organizations with very critical or sensitive data. So this covers our implementation options, the hybrid implementation options in Power BI. And you can reference Power BI governance and deployment white paper. I will provide a link in the video notes should you want to go and have a look at that. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.